first time, so it's gonna be kind of cool. Maybe in the future I'll bring my car out here. I don't know how many people really come to something like this, but I mean, so far it's a cool facility. So offloading the van right now, and then we're going inside. It's a really weird day for me. I took a Miata to Taco Bell, and now we're driving in a big block methanol burnout vehicle to a car meet. This is why we love Florida so much. Posted up. Nick just changed his tires, so he says these are like 8-ply winter tires that last a while.
Transit tires.
Ford Transit tires?
From a transit van.
So it's been a while since we've shown the van. So he's got the fuel cell, he's got the doghouse off so you can see the engine. It's a big grill. So the purpose is just to hang out and do a skid. You gotta open the hood?
Yeah, I think you're people to see the mini can.
Oh, we gotta see the catch can. Well, damn, look at that. So he's got a mini keg as his catch can with big old dash 16 lines.
20.
Those are dash 16.
Oh, they are 16.
Those are dash 16.
You're right, you're right.
Because I let him borrow some of the hose. So, yep. It's been working really well. He changed over the serpentine system. It was V-belted before, and now the belt doesn't come off at all. And he's had a lot of successful burnouts now. So it'll be cool to see it run again. It's been a while since I've seen him make a rip. He went to Cletus and Cars Houston, tagged up the bumper again. But as the Cleater saying goes, you'll get that on them big jobs. So it's still comical how close his foot is to the engine. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy the doghouse still fits. So apparently I just found out that there's quite a few Miatas that come out here. So I was just talking with this dude, and he said he's from the Tampa Bay Miata group. So it'd be kind of cool to have like a big ass Miata meet here, and I'd love to bring my car. So this dude was just up drifting. So we'll see. I guess all these guys are gonna be doing skids. We'll go walk around a little bit and see what's going on. I found the Miata dudes. We gotta go check out. Look, little green down there. Yo, but this shit's badass. This is badass. There's like a proper Smurf right here. first rip's out of the way. Nick, how was your first rip?
Still together.
Still together. That's good.
Still
It's
wrong.
got oil pressure.
Still have oil pressure.
So the plan is tonight, like I said, like a couple small rips. Like he's still got some tire left. So what we're just talking about is do like another 30 or 40 second rip on these and then see what happens. And then if there's much left, just go out and completely pop them later. So if he's got to dismount tires anyway, it's not really any more different if it's popped or not popped. It's still got to be dismounted.
They dismount easier when they're blown.
Exactly. So I think right now we're gonna go walk around, and then he said they have food here, so let's go get food. And he's got to change. That was badass. Big twins on an RB. All right, here goes Nick. This will be our final rip. We're gonna pop the tires this fast. That's so bright. Good sized crowd out tonight. We can see him again. Look at that. There we go. He's all done for the night. Well, it turns out this tire's flat, so unfortunately you can't go anymore. Yep. So it turns out the camera on my cell phone is actually not focusing anymore. So I had to use his iPhone to film. Yeah, you guys can give me the Android jokes. So I got to go to Verizon this week and get my phone fixed or replaced. I don't know yet. So we're gonna swap over the tires and go from there. I think we're pretty much done for the night. We're gonna load it up soon. didn't really get to walk around and film much. I mean, a lot of cool stuff here. It's just hard with all the noise and the lighting, and it's not very GoPro friendly. Either way, catch you guys in a little bit. Yeah, really bright light, but we are done for the night, huh, Nick?
We're done, kind of. We still got a 2.5 hour ride home.
Yeah,
You're done for the night.
This place is pretty far. It's like it's north of Tampa for us, and it's a really awkward place to get to in the state for us. So he's sitting there strapping the van down. Burnout Van on Instagram is how you can get a hold of him. He does have you or I don't know if he's got Facebook. I don't have Facebook, but
I have Facebook.
What's it on?
Follow me on Instagram, Burnout Van.
Burnout Van on Instagram is Nick's tag, and it was fun. In hindsight, I kind of wish I didn't stand downwind of all of his smoke, but we'll do better next time. It was fun. This little car meet was pretty interesting. I don't know if this is something that will be a frequent event for us, but it was cool. It was something to do. It's kind of weird doing something on Thursday, but anyway, Burnout Van lives to see another day. And just like that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.